I've been asked a couple questions, and I'm not entirely sure where people are in terms of the questions for the Jamovi lab, but and forgive me, but I'm trying to answer, I believe, this one based on the email that I had received. So we're going to try and calculate the 95% bootstrap percentile confidence interval for the mean weight of 15-year-olds in the United States. Um, and you're going to compare that to the model-based. Uh, and what I'm going to do is I'm looking at the data set, the YRBSS, and my filter. I'm in data. I go to filter, and I'm going to put age as 15. And so if I if I look at the data, anything that's not a 15 has been blocked out, and I'm gonna just make it so all I see is 15-year-olds in the age category. And then what I need to do to be able to do the bootstrapped confidence interval. All right, so I need to go to analysis, and this is what it'll look like, but let me show you how to get there. So click on randomize, and we are looking for single mean confidence interval. We're going to click on that, and then we need to get to weight, and we're going to click on the variable. And you can see we've got 2,870 individuals our um, in our set. The mean is the sample mean is 65.090. The median is 61. The standard deviation is 15.772. Now, this dot plot right here has a number of bootstraps of 100. It's pretty consistent that when we're dealing with this, that we like to have 1,000. So I'm going to drop another 0 in here, making it 1,000, knowing full well that when I do that, the dot plot looks terrible. So I'm going to change to the histogram. And then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to make sure that the seed is set. So I'm back to the same visual that we had before, and my 95% confidence interval is between 64.55 and 65.696. And just a few comments again. Notice that the mean, the sample mean, is always in between our values in our confidence interval. And in fact, it's always dead center whenever we're generating a confidence interval. But again, this is our sample statistic. It is not our population parameter. Okay. I hope that helps.